Yes, dear student, now we are proving the theorem Converse-Thales theorem, and we can say it Converse BPT. So the statement is, if a straight line divides any two sides of a triangle are in the same ratio, then a straight line is parallel to the third side. Okay, so a straight line which is DE divides AB and AC in a same ratio, then prove that DE is parallel to BC. So the given part, that is AD upon BD and AE upon EC. This is a given part, most important part which is given to us. So it is number 1. Now the second part, and the second part is to prove, that is DE parallels to BC. Okay, and here is a construction, that is draw a parallel line to BC from D. So I am drawing a parallel line, that is DF, draw DF parallels to BC. It is a construction. Okay, so now I am proving the question, the last part, which is proof, and that is like this. So proof for the question or theorem, that is, as by construction DF is parallels to BC, hence by BPT or Thales theorem, basic proportionate theorem, so that is AD upon BD, that equals to AF upon FC. Okay, so we have got a relation by using basic proportionate theorem, and this is the relation which I have written here, and it is number 2. So now by 1 and 2, what exactly we got? In a 1 we have AD upon BD, and in a 2 we too have AD upon BD. That is why by 1 and 2 we got AE upon EC, that equals to AF upon FC. Very simple. Adding 1 to both sides. Okay, so that is 1 plus AE upon EC, and that equals to 1 plus AF upon FC. Okay, now take an LCM EC and a left hand side and FC and a right hand side. So EC plus AE upon EC, and that equals to FC plus AF upon FC. So when I add EC plus AE, that is AC, so I will write AC upon AC, and when I add FC plus AF, again I will get AC, so that equals to AC upon FC. So AC cancel, and the last part which I am starting, that is EC is equals to FC. So I can write FC is like this, that is FC is FE plus EC, FE plus AC. Uh, for the relation, you please see the figure. Okay, so AC is cancel and FE is equals to 0. When Fe is 0, then Fe does not have any kind of distance between both of them. F and E are coincide. Hence, E and F coincide, or we can say superimposing by E or F. Okay, hence F comes on E, so Fe, F and E are same point, same point, by which we can say that F comes to E, so the distance FE, DF and FE are same, so DE parallels to BC. This was to be proven, hence we have proven the theorem, that is DE parallels BC. Thank you.